Hello everyone, this is not just another study series. This is JEE Yodha Series, a journey I started as a JEE 2026 topper with one simple aim to track my real, raw, unfiltered preparation journey every single week. No fake productivity, no overhyped plans, just honest grind, progress and lessons. Now what is JEE Yodha Series? The word Yodha means a warrior, someone who keeps fighting till the end. That's exactly what this series stands for. The mindset of a JEE aspirant who refuses to give up. Every video in this series captures my drop year, my daily self-study sessions, monthly plans, mini vlogs, strategy breakdowns and progress updates. Everything that a true JEE fighter goes through. Now what content I will upload in it? In this series, I will share my monthly plan and weekly study plans for JEE 2026. Topic-wise progress updates, what went well, what didn't. Study vlogs showing real sessions, motivational shots for consistency and sometimes raw reflections. Those slow days when nothing goes right. And yes, every single week I will be posting a full weekly progress video where I will share what I completed, what I couldn't, and what I learned from that week. So this journey stays consistent, transparent and real. Why I started it? I started this series because I wanted to make something real, not those perfect timetable videos, but a relatable journey that every dropper can connect to. This is my way to stay accountable, consistent and maybe inspire someone who is in this same phase right now. What is the goal? The ultimate goal of the JEE Yodha series is not just to crack JEE, it's to become the kind of a person who never quits, who keeps improving every single day, no matter how hard it gets. So if you are also preparing, you are already a Yodha. Welcome to the journey. Follow the series, stay updated with each phase of my JEE 2026 drop journey, and let's grow together one step at a time. This is JEE Yodha Series, the fight, the focus, the fire.